Hello there and welcome once again to the official YouTube channel of I Say You Value Digi Consult. My name is Anthony and in this video I'll be answering another important question that people always ask me, especially when when I run hard for them or probably when they run hard for their business. They'll say, when I run hard for my business, I don't always get people to buy. Most of the people that come to my DM are people that are always asking me that, okay, can I reduce the price, or probably they don't have money. How do I solve this issue? Well, basically, there are a lot of things around it. There are a lot of technicalities around it, and I will explain later on in my next video all it takes for you to have, as in run a Facebook ad that will give you good result. But the first thing about this is, many times when people put out their offer out there, their offer doesn't sound convincing enough for people to actually believe it enough to pay for it. Let me give you an instance. Yeah, we know that things are hard and we know that things are expensive right now in this economy. You know, what you bought today, by the time you go there tomorrow, is now higher than it is, especially food and transportation. I mean, these are some of the major things that people actually, need regularly. You understand? But the question I want to ask you is, the fact that the price of rice keeps increasing almost every time, and the fact that the price of gari, the fact that all of the prices of these different food that we eat for daily survival, the fact that it increases, does it mean that people don't buy it again? Does it mean that people never stop going to market buying stuffs, as in food stuff, that will ensure that their survival is what is maintained? The obvious answer is no. So if nobody has actually stopped buying food because the prices of food is high, why then is it that when you are selling your stuff, you are saying that I'm not getting people to buy my stuff, or I don't even think people are buying anything again? No, people are still buying things. I still bought some courses, as in this month. I still bought some courses last month. So the fact that people are not buying from you doesn't mean people are not buying. It simply means that your position is not in place, and that's the reason why I will recommend another video that you need to watch. I will drop it somewhere in the description, where that will teach you how you can actually create offer that is so irresistible that people will be begging you. They will be begging you like this: please collect my money. So the first thing is, you have not been able to tackle the value offer, the value of your product. Rather, people are not seeing the what's it called? They are not seeing the value that your product is going to solve for them. It is the perceived value of your product, or the perceived value of your services is not elongated or magnified in their mind. So the price that they are actually paying is higher in their eyes than the value that they are actually getting. And that the reason why they are not able to see that value is because you've done a bad job in the ad copy that you used, or you've done a bad job in the ad creative that you used, or you've even done a bad job in the way you approached the client when they came to your DM. Probably you didn't, as in when you called them, or probably when you were chatting with them. And mind you, it's easier for you to close a cold audience. Now, I will be talking about what cold audience means in my other videos. It's easier for you to close a cold audience through a call than through chat, because cold audience are audiences that don't know you, like you, and trust. They've not done business with you before. Probably you just saw your ad or somewhere online using Facebook ad or whatever ad you use, or probably you just made a post somewhere and then they came to your DM, and then you're not trying to close them through your DM. It won't work, because they don't even know. Yes, I know many of them just come to your DM to waste time. But the best way for you to know those that are actually coming to your DM to waste time is for you to put a call through. It's easier for you to convert a cold audience that way. Warm audience or odd audience, people that or probably people that bought something from you before, you don't even need to call them. In fact, the moment they see your offer, they can even immediately buy it. That's if it takes them to a sales page that makes them to buy immediately, because they bought from you before. So cold audiences has a lot of restraint in buying from you. And yes, they are the people that most times comes up with the question that has to do with, can't you reduce price? And in such circumstances, you don't have to be desperate to make a sale. You just have to listen and diagnose what their problem is, and see how your offer can actually solve that particular problem for them. Let's say you're in the fashion industry, and then somebody came to your DM and then wants to buy maybe your Ankara or your Okrika wares and everything, and then the person is trying to say that your Okrika is too costly, can you not reduce price? The first question we ask is, do you want Okrika that will last? That people will think that when you are walking around the road, where they will think you bought it from a boutique, something that is not like you buy it now, by the time you wash it, it fades off. Now what are you doing? You are highlighting the pain point of the customer. So by highlighting the pain point of the customer, they are now able to see that, yes, so I don't want to buy something that we know I've just paid for now, and then the next day, I'm regretting that why did I buy it? So if that is your concern, if that is a pain point for you, I'm guaranteeing you that what I'm selling to you will not take you through the hurdles. You will not have regrets over making this sale. You will not have regrets over buying this particular product. And should in case to tell you how very sure I am that this product is the deal, buy it, and if it ends up being not what you want, don't worry, we'll return it back, and then we'll also do what? Pay you back your money. Now, guarantees are also one way that you can actually make your offer so irresistible, and they will buy because they know what other people are selling outside. They have been scammed many times, and that's the reason why they are actually hesitating. So you positioning yourself as the real deal is one step in helping them know that they can trust you and they can buy it from you. So what are you doing? You are increasing the perceived value of your product, and guess what will happen? The eventuality that will happen is they will say that, okay, I will definitely get back to you. And mind you, there is also a way you can do the offer in such a way that you will not make them even say that. You make them understand that you know that this is actually a good deal, and based on the way I've spoken to you, you say that it's a good deal. There are a lot of people that are actually buying it. So I can't guarantee that when you come back again, you will still get this offer on ground. You are not sounding desperate. You are just telling them how things are. And then at the end of the day, before you know it, they will call for your account details, and then boom, they've paid, and then the deal is closed. So when a client tells you that you should reduce money, or probably they don't have money, just try and understand try and understand their pain point, and then understand their pain point, position your product as the answer and the solution to their pain point, and guess what? They will eventually buy. So if you have some other questions that you want me to tackle in my videos like this, I'll be more than willing to answer it. So drop it in the comment section, and then I will definitely do a video on it and answer it. So make sure you subscribe to this channel. Don't just watch, subscribe, like, and share what you have learned from this strategy I've shared in this video. Till I meet you again in my next video. Cheers.